Hello, hello. I'm here in Guam now. It's like sige, hintay tayo ng konti. It's like it's 2 o'clock here now in Guam, but or 1:30. Yeah, 1:30. Hello, 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 hello. I'm here in Guam now. Look at the sky, beautiful blue sky with cotton-like clouds. And look here, I'm actually in Guam. Look at there, boba milk. You know what? Their whatchamacallit? Their what's this? Okay, our version of Gongcha. They're this sago, the pearl, no? It's actually $11 here in Guam, and that is equivalent to 500 pesos. So our 120 to 160 per large glass of plastic glass of buba, or this pearl, no, yung sago, is 500 pesos here. Look at that. But you know what? I'm here. I'm not promoting. Well, I'm promoting my Fuchsia Libre. Panuorin po natin ang Fuchsia Libre actually ngayon na ang opening sa Manila. So I'm here in Guam, but I will never forget to invite everyone to watch Fuchsia Libre. Sobrang napakagaling ni Paolo Contis. Ang galing ni Khalil. Well, not because it's my film, it's our film, but you know, sobrang nagandahan ako dito. It's a different kind of film. Bukod sa pang LGBTQ siya, ito yung sinasabi mong hindi lang siya pang LGBTQ ito yung pelikulang sinasabi mong hindi lang pang pamilya, pang sports pa. Kaya I'm inviting everyone to watch and invite also your friends and families and neighbors and all the people you know to watch Fuchsia Libre. Today is the opening in cinemas nationwide. So please invite everyone. Sino to? Si John Lloyd Luna. Hello. I'm just waiting for more 30 minutes, another 30 minutes to take my lunch. It's 1:27 here, and we are 2 hours ahead there compared to the Philippines. But Guam is just 3 hours and 40 minutes away from the Philippines. So yes, nandito ako. Well, hindi kasing init sa Pilipinas kasi nasa paligid to ng maraming ng water, and I'll be having my lunch there at that Chinese restaurant. That's my favorite Chinese restaurant here. I've been coming in and out of Guam. In fact, I'm looking for some place here that pwedeng maging regular na place to visit to. That I've been coming back to here in Guam for several years now. So hello Joaquin, Adin, and hey, Engineer Marty. Yes, nood naman kayo ng Fuchsia Libre. Opening po ng Fuchsia Libre ngayong araw na ito sa Manila. So, Tricia, Loriana, ang hirap ng mga name karaniwan natin sa sa IG, no? Hindi yung totoong pangalan. Kaya kahit banggitin mo, parang hindi rin kayo yon. Like dito, si Rising Gun, si KRWSP. So how do we say that? Ulap Positibo. Oh, yun, okay yun. Hello. Yes, pagdating ko sa Pinas. Nasaan ka, Engineer Mark? Hello. Oh, si Miss Chris Paanigan. Okay. Kumusta ka na? And I love you too, Sarah. And aloha. Princess Garfield. Okay, yes. Jards official. Hi. Super Juan joined. Yeah. Andito ako sa sa Guam. So actually nandito ako sa gitna ng they call it Tamuning, no? Kung meron tayong Kamuning sa Manila here, they have Tamuning. This place is in Tumon, and it is actually in the middle of everything. So this is quite a nice location if you're going to visit Guam. Everything is here. All the hotels and big stores, malls are just nearby around my area. Yes. But most especially, I'm here. I'm doing this live now to invite everyone because today is the opening of Fuchsia Libre with Paolo Contis. You should not miss Fuchsia Libre kasi ang galing-galing ni Paolo Contis, ang galing ni Khalil. Napaka-cliche sabihin na it's a very good film because it's our film, but no, more than that, it is a film, a very endearing film about the relationship of the father and the son. So pang pamilya siya. It's a combination of drama and comedy at the same time action, full packed action. So you will enjoy it. So I really wish everyone to invite your friends, your family, your neighbors, all the people you know, kasi hindi kayo magsisisi pag pinanood nyo ang Fuchsia Libre. Alam nyo naman, di naman tayo gumagawa ng kung ano-anong pelikula lang. So I'm really inviting everyone to get out of your houses and after working today, go to the nearest cinema you have there. So para mapanood niyo ang Fuchsia Libre, I must tell you, hindi kayo magsisisi. Ang ganda ng pelikula. So sino pa? Josh Dragons, Silen Fernandez, Maris Cristobal, Mark Gax, Carlo Teodoro joined. Hello. So wave. I'm waving. Wave. Alright. So yun lang mga kapatid, mga kapunyeta, mga ka-general, no? I'm inviting you all to watch Fuchsia Libre. Today is the opening in cinemas nationwide in the Philippines, but I'm here now in Guam. But I will never ever forget to invite you to watch Fuchsia Libre because it is a very feel-good, nice film. It's a drama comedy at the same time an action film. So ito yung literal na pelikula namin na tatawagin mo hindi lang pampamilya, pang sports pa. So everyone can really appreciate the film. So please, today is the opening of Fuchsia Libre nationwide. Please watch Fuchsia Libre with Paolo Contis and Khalil Ramos. Hindi kayo magsisisi. I'm telling you, Sabi ko nga, hindi naman tayo gumagawa ng kung ano-anong pelikula lang. So this is such a very, very nice film. Directed by R.C. De Los Reyes. So, isang goddammit! Goddammit naman dyan, di ba? John Gonzalez, hey! And, okay. So, hindi pa ako makatawid eh. Nakastop pa siya. Kanina pa siya nakastop. I don't know why. Let's see. I still have naman 30 minutes pa to go. So, let's walk here. This is along this Tamuning highway. It's just a small territory or country. But very impressive. Very, very America, you know. So, here we go. I have a very nice place. It's in Grand Plaza Hotel. Well, it's in the middle of everything, so it has a very, very nice location. Ayan. And just to walk there, to my right, all the big hotels and signature malls and stores of signature products, all your LVs and Pradas, just a walking distance away from my place. So I'm just killing some 30 minutes before I take my lunch today. But like what I'm telling everyone, I'm here because I'm inviting you to watch Fuchsia Libre, mga kababayan ko dyan sa Pilipinas. Ngayong araw na itong opening nationwide sa mga cinema sa Pilipinas ng Fuchsia Libre. Hindi kayo magsisisi. It is a literal na pelikulang hindi lang pampamilya, pang sports pa. Yan yung sinasabi ko because you can relate being a child of your parent, of course, and being a parent to a child. So at the same time, kung brusko ka, labanan to, bakbakan to. So hindi kayo madi-disappoint. Again, I'm inviting everyone to watch Fuchsia Libre today. Is the opening. All the cinemas nationwide. So invite your friends, invite your family, your relatives, your neighbors, and everyone you know, kasi this is a very, very feel-good film. Drama and comedy at the same time, action. So hindi kayo magsisisi. May entertain kayo at you will be enlightened, no? About parent-children relationship. Okay, so Vince Dillon, Crispa, of course. Okay, Bessie, Wella, Dangsky. Ganda ng langit, no? Tamo, oh. I'm here now in Guam. Oh, ang ganda-ganda ng langit. Oh. Look. Diba? Oh, ang ganda. Fiona, Bessie, Angie, Wifey Grace. Okay. Thank you, Miss Crispa Anigan. Yes, Engineer Marty. Asan ka ngayon, Engineer Mart? Alizia, Bessie. Yes, in Tumon now. Okay. Hello. Cha, hello. Tuhay, Marina. Wifey Grace, Maris Cristobal. Yes, I'm just killing some 30 minutes here along Tamuning, Timon area, and then I will have my lunch in one of my favorite in one of my favorite Chinese restaurants here in Guam. It is just across my hotel. So, look at this beautiful little church here. Archdiocese of Agana, year of Eucharistic revival. This is my body. Ano? Ang gandang liit lang ng church pero very... Ang ganda ng ng wooden carvings sa kanyang wooden carvings. Yes. Oh. Diba? Okay. This is I'm along Tumon Bay. Actually, the beach is just right across my hotel. Colegiala. Musta? Hello people. Thank you so much for joining me today. Once again, I'm here in Guam now, but I will never forget to invite you all, guys, because today is the opening of Fuchsia Libre in cinemas nationwide sa Philippines. It's just happened that I'm here now in Guam and having some official lakad. But I will soon be back to the Philippines. But for now, I'm inviting everyone to watch Fuchsia Libre. Ito yung pelikulang uulitin ko. Yung literal na hindi lang pampamilya, pang sports pa, because everybody can really appreciate and enjoy the film. It's about the parent-children or a parent-child relationship. It is drama and comedy at the same time. Well, you know, Paolo Contis, one of the best actors we have now, versatile, ang galing sa drama, ang galing sa comedy. And Khalil, it is such a wonderfully made film by RC De Los Reyes. So, watch it. It's showing now, opening now, there in the Philippines. So, ito yung pelikulang sinasabi kong hindi lang pang pamilya, pang sports pa, kasi lahat mag-e-enjoy. Drama comedy with Paolo Contis. Alright? So, yes. Patrick, happy heart. Okay, thank you all guys for joining me today. And maya-maya lang ulit siguro live ulit ako pag may nakita akong ibang place dito na interesting ulit. So God bless everyone and see you in cinemas. All right.